Hi everyone, here's a quick recipe for a gluten-free cold probiotic soup for hot summer days. It's really easy and you're gonna love it. All you need is a bunch of chives, half a bunch of dill, one bunch of basil, and that can be any kind of basil, one bunch of savory greens, one bunch of cilantro, half a bunch of mint, and half a bunch of tarragon. You will also need 3 large cucumbers and some toppings such as walnuts, pine nuts, sunflower seeds toasted preferably, raisins, and rose petals, 2 tablespoons of each, 2 cups of milk kefir and 1 cup of water. You will need to wash and chop all the herbs, and wash, peel, and chop all the cucumbers. Add the water to milk kefir to dilute, and that's it. You have made a yummy gluten-free cold probiotic soup. Add all the ingredients to the milk kefir, add your toppings, add salt and pepper to taste, and enjoy it!